Today, one of the things that I learned that's important is understanding that people's physiological needs need to be met if you're going to engage with them.
The kindness in the world is such an important thing, and it's probably the most important thing that we could do for the people that we work with.
Listening to understand.
Everyone likes kindness. Kindness is important if you want friends and people to like you. Kindness is something that someone does for another person to make them feel happy and loved. Kindness means you care about things. It sounds like a happy song. Kindness is the colour green.
Kind of what I think has resonated a lot for me today is how important it is for staff to be really nice to staff.
In that it can be hard at times to be kind.
Kindness is when someone says you are a friend. If you make a mistake, it is kindness that people give to you to help you realize that you did something wrong. Even though someone doesn't like someone, they can still be kind. It looks like a helping hand. It feels like love being loved. Kindness tastes like lasagna, and it looks like a clear blue sky. Everyone likes kindness. Keep calm and be kind.